Our second product review of the week is called the TAP score. All right, TAP score, which is water testing. I'm going to show you how easy and simple this is. And before I open up the box and show you actually the box, I bought two, by the way, and I'll share with you why. That with my TAP score, what this does is this tests your water. I'm going to teach you two ways that you can use this. Okay, so when you go to test my water, you either choose your water by city water, which is basically coming in through pipes in your house, or groundwater, right? You can test for well or spring water. Okay, a lot of people on well water. Then you can also look at specialty types of like risk factors for water, and you can look at those too. So I'm going to click on city water because that's what I have. And they give you three different options, which is the essentials test. And this looks at toxic metals, all the physical parameters of the water. It scans for nitrates, and it looks at chlorine and chloramine contamination as well. Then the next advanced city water does those same ones, but then also looks at plastic pipe chemicals and trihalomethanes. And then the big test, the big, more expensive one, also looks at haloacetic acids, radioactive particles, as well as chlorate. And you can actually look at all of the different parameters that it looks at. So I'm just clicking on the general one for right now. And it looks at contaminants that it tests for, and it's going to look at alkalinity, calcium, chloride, hardness of the water, sodium, total dissolved solid, which is kind of like how many minerals is in that, or metals. It looks at lead, copper, cadmium, arsenic, chromium, uranium, strontium, mercury, nitrates, barium, fluoride, iron, nickel, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sulfate, zinc. Then it looks at aluminum, antimony, beryllium, boron, cobalt, lithium, molybdenum, phosphorus, selenium, silver, thallium, titanium, tin, vanadium. And they're also looking for chlorine as well. So, and that's just the basic test. So even if you go with the basic test, which I believe is $139, discount is off 7%. I'm going to see if I can get our community a bigger discount. If we can use a coupon code, all right? So head on over to today's show, StephenCabral.com/2212. StephenCabral.com/2212. And I'll also put it on the resources page where all my resources go at StephenCabral.com/resources. I'm going to see if we can get a special coupon as well. All right. So that's the basic, and that's $139. And then I'm going to see if I can get us a better coupon. But here's the thing. 45 different analytes tested, 5-day turnaround time. All the shipping is included, free shipping both ways. So here's the thing. It's actually really nicely packaged. So you get this TAP score sampling guide, all right? So right in here, very nice, teaches you all about, I think this is actually even the, chlorine level. So this is fantastic to look at. And then it's going to go through the instructions on how to test. And then here are your bottles, all right? So right here are your testing shipment bottles. And then you're going to be able to package this right up in the box. And here is the return shipping. As far as I know, this is US based only, but I will see if this can be done internationally as well. But I know the shipping is through USPS. So there you have it. I said I purchased two of these. Here's the other one. So I've got two. And a lot of people ask me why. Well, I certainly am thorough, if nothing else. And that's the thing I always tell people. Like I really am honest with all of my reviews and what I'm trying to do for our community. So I am testing my tap water, and then I'm testing my Berkey water. And I want to make sure that my Berkey water filter, I just put in new filters for it, is taking out all of the things that's in my city water. So in my city water, if I find aluminum, and I find fluoride, and I find chlorine, I want to make sure that the Berkey water is also taking that out. So again, that's that. And so I'll share the results with you in, well, hopefully just another 3 or 4 weeks. So let me put that actually in my notes to share that with you, and that'll be fun. So TAP score follow-up is what I'm writing. All right, check it out. Head on over to StephenCabral.com/2212. for your own tap score right at home. And I'm doing the middle one, by the way, not the, let's see exactly what it's called. It is not the essential city water, which is the basic. I'm doing the advanced city water test. All right.